Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today I want to unbox what my husband bought from the market. So that one you are seeing me touching is chicken. He bought chicken so that we can use and make either stew or pepper soup, you understand? And just take your time, watch the video. I wanted to put the background this thing, but because of the generator noise, I don't really know. I'm planning how to remove this my gen at the back of this my kitchen. Honestly, it's just one thing that is keeping me, because I need to remove that gen so that I can be having a nice video. So he bought scent leaf, because I'm not used to all this voiceover. I don't know how to do voiceover. He bought bomo, understand? He bought so many things that we use and cook. Yeah, here is I think bonga fish. Yes, he bought bonga fish. Yeah, bonga fish. And also he bought oh, what happened to my hand? So this is ogbono, because we are making ogbono soup, small soup, you understand? So here is bitter leaf for the ogbono. What is it now? Can you allow me talk? So he bought smoked fish, that is azwa mirami, you understand? Oh yeah, start eating your food. Start. Don't distract me here, I'm doing something, please. So he bought smoked fish, yeah, because there is no soup without smoked fish. At least this one has its own taste. It will give this ogbono soup a special taste to it, you understand? So guys, enjoy the video. Sorry, I and my baby is here. My last baby is here, so this boy is distracting me here before my tabiri. So he bought meat also and salt. Yeah, I think you have seen it. And this cow meat, yeah, for the soup. Yeah, but today we ended up not making the pepper soup for the chicken, understand? And that will be in my next video. I just steam everything and keep. So, and also he bought a groundnut oil, because we like buying ground, because we too fry cook in this house. That is why we like buying this 25 liter of a groundnut oil. And this is my first time seeing this one fresh, and I've not seen it. So he bought it to 63,000 naira. Please tell me on the comment section, is it a good buy, or did they cheat him? You understand? You know, Nigeria, when they see man inside market they will think that we don't see customer. But the last one we used, I was the one that bought it. That was Nova groundnut oil, and I think I bought that one 60,000 naira, if I'm not mistaken, either 60 or 61. Or this one he bought it 63. Yeah, that's it for today. So enjoy the video. I think I have to leave you guys to enjoy the background noise small. on. So, and I need to on them so that I can get the right view to understand. Hope my head is not hot. So that I can get the right view and also see what again. What I'm doing. See what we do. So just want to found that thing very well. See how you drop my motor and this on the ground. Join all of them together. What that's about? Yes, thank you. Very well, thank you. in case if I'm not cooking it today, at least the spice will enter inside. Understand? I wanted to do pepper soup, but my children said no. That I should do this thing. I should fry it for them. So that means if I'm to fry it now, I will make soup. I will make soup or use it for jollof rice. That is why it's not I could have cooked it. see the Ogbonna victory come for me, Jesus. And I did not even check it.